Welcome to the Raytheon facility, home of the TOW missile production line. Today, I'll guide you through how we build America's deadliest anti-tank weapon. Welcome to the production floor. Here, we ensure the TOW missile continues to play its critical role in modern armored warfare, supporting operations worldwide.
Final dimensions verified by CMM. Specifications met.
Documentation is in order. Approved for delivery.
Technicians install the flight control surfaces, torquing the titanium bolts and connecting the wiring harness. Functional telemetry nominal. Gyro initialization complete. Status shows green. Guidance integration approved.
Clearance looks good on this side.
Roger that. Applying torque now.
Connectors engaged. Starting continuity test.
T-minus 3, 2, 1, ignition.
We have sustained burn. Thrust metrics are nominal.
Performance verified.
All connections secure, initiating functional test sequence. Systems check nominal. Fin movement verified.
Test data confirms performance, response time under 50 milliseconds, and positioning accuracy within half a degree. Spool 1 seated. Initiating continuity check on line alpha.
Reading nominal. Moving to line beta. Container 1040 secured. Verified documentation.
Acknowledged. Moving to storage bunker now. All teams, confirm grounding protocols engaged.
Non-destructive testing ensures weld integrity. The automated system scans for porosity, cracks, or
Utilizing advanced TIG welding, our technicians achieve a flawless seam on the missile shell.
Precision is paramount. We take multiple measurements across the shell, cross-referencing the data instantly with the 3D CAD models to guarantee accuracy.
ID codes check out on pallet 4. Move it to inspection.
Copy that. Moving now.
Watch the clearance on that pallet. Roger. Scanning incoming munitions now. Verified. Move to secured storage immediately.
Test sequence initiated. All systems check good.
Electrical verified. Documentation confirms compliance.
Final approval granted. Ready for shipment.
These metrics confirm that our lean manufacturing implementation is working.
Absolutely. The AS9100 preparation also...
Simulation shows the tandem charge defeats the reactive armor.
We need to verify the millimeter wave seeker acquisition rate against APS.
The TOW system was the backbone of our operations. We knew it wouldn't fail.
Absolute game changer for the infantry, pure reliability.
Review the facility expansion plans again. Can we hit the surge requirement within 90 days?
Only if we accelerate the training programs and this technical data classification confirms it's controlled under Category X1.
And the end user certificate is verified?
Yes, but we still need the DSP-5 approval before release. We need to verify these dimensions against the latest revision of the MIL STD and ensure the welding certifications are current before sign-off.
Preventing foreign object debris is critical. Even the smallest contaminant can compromise missile reliability.
The X-ray confirms the internal structure is wrong.
And the materials analysis shows it's not to specification. It's definitely a counterfeit.
We have a supply chain alert. Critical components delayed.
The system is already optimizing the production schedule to minimize disruption.
Clethis. The goal of this research is to leverage advanced production methods like additive manufacturing and friction stir welding.
The data shows these initiatives are reducing our per-unit costs. We need your commitment on the new pricing structure.
We can commit.
From extreme thermal cycling down to minus 65 degrees to severe multi-axis vibration, we ensure
the data acquisition confirms full penetration through the RHA and composite layers.
Witness plate shows residual jet penetration depth matches predictions.
HSSU alignment sequence complete.
The naval adaptation expands the TOW system's mission capability beyond traditional ground roles, providing small vessels with effect.
The integration of the TOW missile system provides the Bradley fighting vehicle with lethal, long-range anti-armor capability.
Stand by for launch. T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. Missile 1 away.
This data confirms our bottleneck is in the guidance section assembly. We can't scale TO production without addressing it.
All right, let's diagnose this power connector fault using the troubleshooting guide. Safety first. Then we document the replacement procedure.
Test data confirms reliability metrics are maintained, allowing us to extend the service life projections based on actual surveillance data.
The guidance system ensures a high probability of hit. Now, verify the thermal battery connection before proceeding to the live fire phase.
We've established a secure wireless link. Data integrity is nominal.
Initiate the actuator response test sequence.
The TOW-2B modernization program introduces a top attack capability. using advanced sensors and dual explosively formed.
This modification improves the seeker's range significantly.
And manufacturing confirms it won't impact the production line schedule.
Excellent. I'll sign off on the ECP now.
This calibration certificate ensures compliance with military standards. The audit findings confirm our ISO 9000.
We've identified the trends in the incident reports. Now we implement preventive measures and ensure everyone completes the updated safety training modules.
As you can see in this example, sophisticated phishing attempts often mimic internal communications. Always verify the sender.
This rise in defect rates is unacceptable. We need the root cause analysis and a corrective action plan submitted by the end of the week.
Is aviation. This assembly step is the bottleneck. If we reorganize the tools here, we could improve the cycle time significantly. Let's up.
If we look at the specifications here, the replacement candidate actually exceeds the MTBF of the original part.
That's
align the guidance section here. Confirmed, guidance section aligned. Now secure the retaining ring.
Target locked. Missile 1, ready to fire. Firing simulation now.
Simulation complete. Verification successful. System checks good.
This specialized production line manufactures training variants with inert warheads, identifiable by their distinctive blue bands.
Hold steady. Lowering now.
Clear on the left. Securing restraints.
Verified. Seal helium standard.
Restrictions. Technicians install guidance systems with export-approved electronics and assemble warheads meeting international munitions regulations.
All data verifies compliance. The lot is accepted.
Certifying the documentation now for immediate shipment.
Okay, lower slowly. Watch the clearance on those fins. Confirmed. Engaging the forward bolts now. Sequence green.
A legacy of excellence built by dedicated American workers, ensuring our commitment to protecting
the TOW system gives us a decisive advantage. Knowing we have that reliable firepower protects my team.
We must increase investment in advanced propulsion and guidance systems now.
The market forecasts and budget trends won't...
Day after day, year after year, our skilled workforce delivers unmatched manufacturing excellence, sustaining critical defense capabilities.
This analysis clearly demonstrates that quality isn't an expense, it's an investment.
Precisely. The R...
Citrus.
The team is analyzing the performance feedback from your recent deployment.
The data confirms the system's effectiveness, but
the comprehensive traceability enables rapid investigation of any quality concerns, instantly identifying all potentially affected missiles in the inventory.
Vibration testing initiated. We are simulating severe transport stresses now. Accelerometer readings confirm shock absorption.
Our comprehensive energy efficiency programs are drastically reducing operating costs across all facilities.
The live fire data validates the simulation lethality assessment.
Probability of kill remains high for the current variant.
Maintain consistent pressure here while slowly rotating the component.
This schematic highlights the tolerances required for the guidance.
This single source component is a major vulnerability for the TOW missile line. We need to fast-track the qualification for the drills. We must refine the urban warfare tactics for the TOW system, focusing on optimal firing positions.
the wargaming showed that... The workforce expertise maintained here benefits other critical programs.
Exactly. It's about sustaining the broader manufacturing base, not just the TOW missiles.
We must remain vigilant. Unauthorized disclosure of sensitive missile technical sheet.
Emergency authorization granted. Maximize production lines A and B.
We're initiating immediate transport for theirs.
These timeline projections confirm the eventual replacement is inevitable, likely decades out.
We need to finalize the...
Reviewing the inspection data from the Malaysian facility now, quality standards are consistent.
Excellent. That ensures configuration management for the final assembly.
This demonstrator integrates the millimeter wave radar seeker for autonomous homing.
The simulations here confirm the tandem warhead.
This 750,000th missile represents decades of dedication and manufacturing excellence.
Look at the erosion resistance data here.
It's exceeding the target parameters.
Reliability and maintainability are the top priorities for the TOW system.
We understand, but we must also...
Congratulations to all our award recipients tonight. Your dedication to innovation is what sustains our excellence and continuous improvement.
Emissions are well within compliance limits, even with the increase in production.
The pollution prevention initiatives are clearly working.
Have the suppliers confirmed the increased component deliveries?
Yes, they verified they can meet the 90-day surge timeframe.
The TOW engagements were critical in stopping the armored thrust.
Having that overmatch capability meant we could protect the infantry teams and secure the objective.
Global readiness at 98% this rotation. Logistics are green across all combatant commands. Maintaining visibility on those movements in the Pacific Theater.
Are we confident these missiles meet every requirement for deployment?
Verified. Data confirms compliance and combat readiness.
Very well. The quality seal is applied.
Watch the angle here. Too fast and the bond won't hold.
This historical data confirms why that specific alloy is critical for durability.
Army ground units, shift fire left. Marines, cover the avenue of approach.
Confirmed. Shifting fire now.
Missile away.
Assessing modern tank armor, including reactive armor and APS, drives our need for tandem warheads and guidance improvements resistant to enemy electronic warfare.
The value engineering studies confirm sustained cost reductions through manufacturing improvements.
And FMS revenue continues. All performance parameters met specifications. The penetration confirms combat effectiveness. Verified. Lot accepted for operational issue.
By standardizing our maintenance procedures, we can significantly reduce sustainment costs.
This improves readiness across all partner nations.
New targets, 3 armored vehicles, grid reference 3-9er-Delta.
Sergeant, watch your stabilization on the move.
This facility represents a strategic war reserve. Rigorous inspection programs ensure these missiles remain.
Decades of continuous production excellence have made the TOW program an industry benchmark. Approaching 3/4 of
our safety record proves we prioritize our workers.
We analyze near misses to continuously improve training and protect the community.
The direct job creation is substantial, but the multiplier effect shows the true reach. Exactly. Every defense
This schematic details the precise specifications we must follow. Maintain steady pressure and watch the heat-affected zone on that weld.
The evolution timeline clearly demonstrates our sustained innovation. But look at the threat analysis. We need to accelerate.
This engagement here confirms the target acquisition at range.
And the statistical data shows the hit probability remains high across all theaters.
We conduct scheduled inspections, checking mechanical components, electrical systems, and optical sites. This systematic maintenance...
Missile ready!
Fire! Displace! Move!